Alright, well I'm going to do a bike check real quick. Starting off in the front, I have Mutiny Glam V2 bars. Love these bars. Shadow Attack stem. Odyssey CS2 race fork. Really like it. Odyssey quadrant front wheel. It's got the Vandero 2 hub. It's a really good wheel. Odyssey 18 K-Lite tire. I'm getting a new one soon because I've had it forever and it's wearing out. Animal MK3 peg in the front. Grips. ODI long necks. Had them forever. Love them. FSA Impact headset. I have the Colt Death Row frame. I really like this frame. I got it like a week or two ago. I really like it. I just cleared it a little bit ago. Really good frame. Top and bottom gussets. Heat treated everything. Fully heat treated. I really like it. I recommend it. I would recommend it over the Bad Boy because I've heard a lot about FBM's cracking, and this one's made by Solid, and I've only heard good stuff from Solid. So go get it. Seat, I have the Fit Low Bolt Kevlar seat with the Eclat Torch seat post. And I have profile cranks. Really like them. You should get them. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Stock Verde sprocket. Don't like it, bent it, but whatever. It's a stock sprocket. It's like paper thin. KMC 410 8 chain. Shadow Torrid bottom bracket. I have the Demolition Rolls hub. Demolition Rolls hub laced to a 7KA rim. I really like it. It's got Sapum spokes on it. I really like the hub, the rim, everything's great. Get it. Animal MK3 back peg with a Demolition Rolls hub guard. Here's the hub sound for you. Really like it. I have a Animal GLHR tire in the back. I don't know if it was me or just because it's folding or whatever. I don't know if the folding's different. But I tore a hole in it right there. And I got some duct tape underneath it. It's good right now with the duct tape, but I think I might have like hung up on something. But it's whatever. The whole thing with 2 pegs weighs a little under 22.5 pounds. The frame is 4 pounds 8 ounces for anybody who wants to know. Yeah, without pegs it'll probably be like 21.5. I don't really care. I like it. I recommend every part on this bike. I love my bike. Thank you for watching.